Hey guys, YellowBone69 here, and just going to give a quick little demonstration of my setup that I've got so far, waiting on the Naza. And here's my nav lights, as you can see. I got the green on one side flashing, another red indicator flashing, twin strobes. I have some red lights on the back of the legs for orientation. And I also have another white strobe in the back to match the red and the green. Those are my headlights. And I also have one on the bottom to act as a landing light. That puts off quite a bit of glare. I have it running off a separate battery because I don't want to take anything away from the flight times or the flight battery. I'll show you the inside setup in a second. Spin this around to look at the garage door. Give you an idea how bright it is. Alright, so there's the bundle under the hood. We've got the Fly Sky receiver. There's the box for my twin strobe lights. This is a 12 volt step down, so I can run all the other lights off the one 12 volt battery, or 3-cell battery. So this will run anything up to 5 volts. This is my nav lights light controller. Switch here that I have that turns on the headlights by themselves. And the 5.8 gigahertz video transmitter with the Fat Shark circular polarized antenna. So I'm just waiting on Naza, and we're waiting on the what's that called? The gimbal. But that's all I can do for now. That's it. And yes, I did cut the red wires. I didn't cut them, I just pulled them out and shrink tubed them off. So apparently they don't work with the Naza software. And I've got my antenna, little tail coming out. Mount for the GPS. But that's where I am so far. So hopefully we get the Naza before I gotta leave Wednesday to go to work. I'll be gone 3 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you when Naza arrives.